Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hi fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So this is going to be a quick little makeup tutorial for my first day of school, teacher edition, because I just started a new job teaching science in an elementary school, and of course we all want to look cute on our first day of school, whether we are the adult or the students. So the first thing I am doing here, which I rarely ever do, is I am filling in my eyebrows using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Also, just please excuse my appearance in this video at the beginning because it is like 4 something in the morning. It's before 5 o'clock because I had to be at work for 6:30, so I was up really early and just not all the way there. Now I'm using my concealer, which is the Morphe Filter Effect Concealer in the shade Rich 32 Warm, to sculpt out my brows. So I just put a little on top and on the bottom, and I'm just using a nice flat brush to make sure I'm blending out. I actually really liked how my brows came out, even though, like I said, I rarely ever fill in my eyebrows, but I might start trying to do this more because I did like the final look. So I did forget to prime my face, but I am using the foundation I Am Magic by Juvia's Place. So this is in the shade Togo, and as always I will have all the products that I'm using in the description down below.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Shit, I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been there, swore that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you.
Now going back in with my Morphe Filter Effect Concealer, I am applying it like under my eyes. I'm not using too much. I'm just applying a little bit. So I'm also going to put some on my nose, my forehead, and my chin.
Take me And I take it all back just to have you in my home. And I know for a fact who you are, it do we are. We are.
Don't think you care about me.
Oh girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Don't think you care about me.
Oh girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Now to contour my face, I am using the Sephora concealer in the shade Devil's Food or number 20. So I'm contouring my nose and my cheeks.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my iron. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side, and it starts to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I really need. I need to free my mind now. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs.
Now I am applying blush and highlight. So I'm using Colourpop Tea Cakes Cheek Palette, and the blush shade is called Yummy Bite, which is the nice pink color. And then I use the highlight, which is called Most Necessary. I really like how the blush came out. It's such a nice pink color.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. The sheets turn to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love.
I'm using my NYX This Is Juice lip gloss in the flavor strawberry.
I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love.
Now I'm going in to really set the concealer that I put on earlier. So I'm going in where I applied it, under my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I also do like to set my blush, especially more so when I do cream blush. So I applied my lashes off camera. I am wearing the Dame lashes from Colourpop, which these are so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!